The pistol grip of any handgun is arguably the most important part. It's your connection to the firearm, it's how recoil is controlled, and if it is subpar, then your confidence and accuracy can suffer. Today we'll look at various non-permanent options for improving the grip of your PSA Micro Dagger. First, let's look at the Magwell at the bottom of the grip. Now, an upgraded Magwell can be an excellent way to speed up reloads, enhance grip consistency, and can add a flare of color, if that's your thing. Now on the Glock 43x, there are several options for upgrading Magwells. Unfortunately, here is where we come to one of those places where the Micro Dagger and the Glock 43x are different. There is a slight difference in the profile of the Magwell between the Micro Dagger and the 43x. Without some serious modification, a Magwell upgrade like this one from Tyrant CNC will not work with your PSA Micro Dagger. Next upgrade we tested was the HOGUE HandALL Beavertail rubber grip sleeve. It's made of soft rubber and slides over your pistol grip and gives a more ergonomic feel to your handgun. The grip sleeve installs just fine in the Micro Dagger, and once installed, it has a very clean and tight fit. I wouldn't worry about this grip loosening up or shifting, even with hard use. Now this grip adds some thickness to the pistol grip, which is great for someone with bigger hands like myself, and the finger grooves are a nice addition, but not for everyone. Overall, smooth install, feels very nice in the hand, and for under $20, it's an excellent upgrade. The only reason I would avoid this grip is if you have smaller hands, or just not a fan of the thicker grip. Now, if you're looking for a more aggressive texture on your grip without changing your grip profile, let's try out the Talon Grip's Texture Adhesive grip. Now, this grip comes in either a rubber or a granulate texture option. I tested the granulate and it installed easily and securely. I would have no worries about this peeling off from everyday use. The granulate texture is aggressive and very easy to grip, even with sweaty hands. The only drawback that I would see is that if you are carrying this in a waistband holster, this grip could be uncomfortable if it was in contact with your skin for long periods of time. Overall, the Talon grip is a quality option for the Micro Dagger and adds excellent grip texture without changing the grip shape. So whichever grip you choose, both the Talon grip and the HOGUE HandALL prove to be excellent options for customizing your PSA Micro Dagger pistol to fit your shooting style and comfort preferences. Both grips offer unique advantages, whether you're preferring the enhanced texture and control of the Talon grips or the ergonomic feel and recoil absorption of the HOGUE HandALL. Ultimately, choosing the right grip comes down to personal preference and how it enhances your shooting experience. Make sure to let us know down in the comments which grip you prefer and why.